In this video, I'll be introducing you to a non-African prose titled The Native Son by Richard Wright. In the end of this video, we will be able to discuss the plot account of Native Son. We will also discuss the setting. We will discuss the language and style used by Richard Wright to drive home its message. And also we'll discuss the themes embedded in Native Son, that is the central messages in which Richard Wright drives home to his readers. And at the tail end of it, we will discuss the characters in which he uses to drive home these messages in the individual characters of Native Son. And also we'll treat past questions from SSC and post-UTME.